Hello everyone and welcome to Lazi-Low Collectibles. I'm Lazi-Low, I'm the boss. I run the channel and I will share my passion for toy cars with you. I will show my collection for you, and I will also tell you where do I buy them, and I will unbox them with you so you can see what I buy and sell. And I also like collecting retro and vintage stuff. I will show them to you as well, and I also give you some tips how do I restore the toy cars on my channel, and I hope you will enjoy watching Lazi-Low Collectibles. So welcome to the channel. Hello guys, and welcome back to another video at Lazi-Low Collectibles. And today my next car is a Corgi Toys Chevrolet Impala, and this is from Miss K, the Showgirl 25. I will put her channel in the link section. So I'm going to do this car next. You can see it's got a little bit problem with the plastic, but I will try to work on that. Windscreen, not too bad. I think if I work on that one as well, then it should be all right. And the color, the wheels actually pretty good, and the tires as well. I don't know why the camera is focusing. So if the tires are not too good, I've got some spare tires, but the hubs are good. So this is going to be my next video, and I will take this apart, guys, and I will come back with the bits and pieces inside. Okay, so I drilled the rivets out and we got the base. I think it's going to be pretty similar to the Kennel Club I done, and this time this plastic is in a good nick, so I will take the wheels out and I will have to remove this plastic, but I think I need to be very careful with the one at the back, so I will do that off camera and I'll come back. So I've got the base, I mean this plastic frame. This will go into the oven cleaner, and I've got the interior, which is, I think it's alright, it's just a bit dirty. And I've got the windscreen, which is again not too bad. I think I will leave that, yeah, that will hold the windscreen in position, so I will leave that. And this is the body itself, and this will go into the paint stripper. I will work on these a little bit before I put them into the paint stripper. So that's all the bits and pieces. Actually the tires are not too bad, there are no cracks on the tire, so I think I will paint these. This one is a little bit deformed, to be honest, they're very hard. I'll see if I have any spare tires. If not, I will use these, because these are the original ones, and I will clean the hubs up. So I will begin. There is a little crack in here, you see, that one is broken, so I will glue that back together, and I put a little bit baking powder. But apart from that, it's actually in one piece. Yeah, well, this has got some problems, so I might use some filler and try to make it look a bit better. Okay guys, so after 2 weeks nearly, I've got the Impala nearly ready to go together. Let's see quickly what we've done. I've got the frame and I put a registration plate on it. It's not perfect, it's got some bits and pieces, but it was also missing a piece from the plate holder, and I've used some glue and stuff. It's not perfect, but it's alright. And I've got the lights updated and also the registration plate on the back. By the way, I'm using a new camera, so my new phone. It's not new, but new for me. I think the quality is better than on my older phone. This is the windscreen, not perfect again, but it's okay. It's better than it was. I haven't touched the interior, so this has just been cleaned up. I've got the well, I changed the tires because one was coming off in pieces, so I couldn't leave three same and one different, so I changed the tires to reproduction tires. That's the base, which is pretty simple, I guess. It's just the paint on it. And I've got the body, which is white and red. So I can't wait to put the car together, guys, so I will start doing it and we'll see how we end up. But I think I might clean the windscreen first. This is the Impala before restoration. Not too bad. The parts are there. A bit rough, a bit I think overpainted by somebody, but in general the car was in a good nick. And this is what I've done with the car. This is after restoration. I think the paint job is good. I did work on the windscreen as well. I changed the tires, cleaned up the hubs, and just give an overall a fresh look for this beautiful car, which is now ready to be part of my collection. Okay guys, the Impala is now finished and I do like it, although no matter how much I wanted to push this together here, it just did not go. And I just realized how much I hate super glue, because there is something in there. But I try to avoid super glue lately, and I'm using this craft glue, which is very good. It takes longer to dry, but it doesn't leave nasty marks, and does a good job as well. So I think this was my last time using the super glue on a car like this. I mean, I can use super glue if it's something inside and you won't see, but otherwise I'm not going to use super glue. So I did glue the rivets back on. I mean, not the rivets, the base. I think the car looks good. I've done my best. It took me a long time to do this car. but I'm happy for the Impala ready now. So thank you for watching this episode, guys. If you did like the video, please give me a thumbs up and also subscribe if you haven't subscribed yet, and leave some comments down below. Thank you so much for your support. See you at my next restoration video, which should come soon. Take care, guys. Bye bye.